Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate OCR using Google Gemini, Lovable and React Native. Alright, now let's jump into the backend part of our OCR workflow. This is a Lovable project and inside this we have created a supervised edge function called trikon-tech. This function is responsible for handling the OCR process and connecting with the Gemini version API. First, we import the server from Dino and define the header. So this function can call externally from our React Native app without any restrictions. So we read the request body and then detect only flag, which tells us to whether we want to detect just a document type or extract full check details. If the image is missing, we throw an error immediately. Then we read the AI API from our environment variable. This keeps the key secure and ensures it's never exposed on front end. Based on the detect only flag, we prepare the different system prompt. If detection mode is enabled, we only classify whether the uploaded file is check or some other type of document. Otherwise, we send a detailed instruction telling Gemini to extract specific check field like check number, bank, and whatever it is. This is the most important part. Here we make an API request to Gemini Vision 2.5 flash through the Lovable AI gateway. We pass a system prompt, the user prompt, and the base 64 check image. Gemini progresses the image and returns extracted text and fields. Once the AI sends back a response, we clean the returned content and convert it to proper JSON. This JSON contains actual details whichever we have scanned and extracted. Finally, we send extracted data back to the front end as a clean JSON response. So that's how this backend function processes the check image, communicates with Gemini model and return structured data in the front end. Now let's switch to the React Native side and see how we can call this function and display the result in the app. Here in the React Native app, we have two helper functions, one from scanning with camera and one more selecting from the gallery. But the main OCR logic is inside this function called handle OCR upload. Here we convert the image file to base64 because the backend expects base64 input. Then we call our supervised edge function named trikon-tech, which is of Lovable project we saw earlier that runs in. Once the AI returns the extracted data in the JSON, we map those values directly on the check form field on the screen so that the user can confirm and edit before saving. So the heavy AI processing happens on the back end and the front end simply displays the result created. So that's how OCR is integrated inside the React Native app. We capture an image, convert it into base64, send it to our Lovable supervised function which calls the API, and then we receive structured check information back and populate it into the form automatically. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.